how's it going? This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And yeah, today I've got one that came in an umai crate by Japan Crate. I think you just go to japancrate.com. There'll be a bunch of tabs. Check out umai crate. It's all ramen. And use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. Anyways, check that out. This is Acecook Fujiko Shio Yakisoba. So this logo here is some brand from Japan. I really don't know who they are, but as you can see, it says Acecook and them. So it's a collaborative effort to make an instant noodle, which I think is just fine. So I have a bowl of water. And yes, this was a bowl variety. Where's the bowl? Snipped up in the trash and long gone, folks. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the noodle, drop it in there just like we would drop it in the bowl. Move this aside. Slap a lid on it. And steep it as if it were just in a bowl. And it needs, I believe, 3 minutes. Yep, that's 3 minutes. I'll show you how I know that. So, right here, see the prominent number 3? That's how long it steeps for. Usually you'll see it say something like 500 ml if it's something big, and then say a 3 or a 5 or something like that. That's how much liquid to add. This is one that you drain, so I don't know if on the side of the bowl it mentions the milliliters of water to add, but yeah. So, in other news, it's time to cook, you know. Yeah, cooking like a fiend. Got up this morning, got all ready, said goodbye to my wife. She put my daughter in the stroller, and we went for a 3.5 mile walk. Went to the store, got home. It's nice. I like being able to do that. I usually get to do that 3 times a week, but this week poor Miles wasn't feeling good on Tuesday, so I had to curtail that. But I think on Tuesday we ended up going for a walk anyways after my wife got off work, so that's cool. But yeah, it's coming along, I guess. People are noticing that I'm losing weight, so that's what I'm going for. I don't care about any stinking numbers. I recorded a video basically outlining everything that I've been doing. I think I might be redoing it. I don't know at this point, but we'll see. And yeah, so if you're curious about exactly what I do, then I will share it with you. Free of charge, no kind of BS, none of this. This amazing weight loss method is you're going to hear it in the next blah, blah, blah. And they keep talking and talking and talking and talking and talking. Nah, I'm not going to do that. But I'm not going to tell you in this video because it's like a little long-winded, but I want to like do it in a nice setup so it can give you access to how to get everything that I use. So, minute 25. But other than that, just waiting for the new Star Trek Next Generation reboot to drop, and new Deadwood to drop. Yep, Deadwood. They're making more Deadwood. If Ian McShane isn't in it, that'd be freaking stupid. So he better be in it, HBO. I don't think he's busy currently. He could be. He plays a very... That guy can play an ornery cuss, as to use the parlance of their time, very well, with aplomb. My velocipede negotiates boardwalk and street with aplomb. Yeah, that... If you've never seen Deadwood, there's a lot of quotable stuff in there. It's like, this guy starts cursing, and the lady, and he's like, oh, pardon my French, ma'am. And she's all, oh, it's okay, I speak French. I use that line constantly. I think that's one of the funniest lines ever. Anyways, here's our Fujiko Shio flavor stuffings. Make sure to get all of that out of there with the fork of fury and truth. I name all the utensils. I name everything. This is the cup of dreams. Bet you didn't know that. Cup of dreams, fork of truth and fury. Yeah. It's a whole Justice Department in the silverware drawer, actually. Department of Defense, Department of Justice. Alright, and then we got this stuff. It looks more like an on toppity top. I think I'll sprinkle that on a touch of this. Let's give this a try. Looks very light in color, but that's just kind of how Shio Instant Noodle Yakisoba comes out. We can get with that. It's light. I mean, it's nice. Not a whole lot going on. It's like there's a bit of a sesame, some other junk going on in there. I don't know if it's like pink salt or Himalayan salt. No bitterness. That I appreciate. A little bit of sweetness. Yeah. This one I like. The Acecook one I had, was it yesterday? Yeah. The Acecook one I had yesterday, the Super Cup, I thought that was nasty. This, I like. Well, what are we going to put on it? Let's do some stuff in the pot. I'm going to put some mung bean sprouts in there, but I'm going to break them up a little bit. I don't want them to be too vexing. You may at home make or use mung bean sprouts and they may vex you as much as you like. But for me personally, I don't like vexing mung bean sprouts. But I do like chicken. And I baked this chicken this morning after I got home from my stroll with my sweet little daughter. This is baked chicken with black pepper. I put in here black pepper, garlic powder, and Nutec Salt for Life. You can find it on Amazon. And it's definitely a part of my food regime when I do need something to taste a little saltier. I like that stuff because it has potassium in it, and potassium, if you're on like the diet that I'm on, I follow like all these weird indicators and stuff. Like, okay, I've got this, I have to have this much potassium, I gotta have this much, I I can have this many carbs, I can have this much sugar, but I've got it down to like every single thing that I put in my system, I have the stats on every single one. So, but where'd it go? There we go. So there's some chicken, and we'll put a little bit of spring onion. I think this could do with a little bit of heat, so I'm going to sprinkle a tiny bit of crushed pepper. I think we're going to call it good with that right there. I could do sesame seeds, but yeah, why? I don't like sesame seeds. I like sesame oil. They're getting my teeth. Oh. Something I did activated the echo over there. So, anyway, so yeah, noodles. And this was from an umai crate. Again, you can go find them. Go to japancrate.com and look for the umai crates, and you can use the coupon code the Ramen Raider and get a discount. So that's fun, right? You agree? Discounts are fun, and this is pretty cool. I like that first character. It looks like a little spaceship. It looks like it says bust. Honestly, it totally looks like it says bust. I don't. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.